Crafty. Hi, Crafty fam. So today we are doing some holiday nail art ideas. So on this screen, you will see what hold on, what I'm doing with my nail. So we're gonna do 3 holiday nail art ideas. So I hi I like that. Hi Crafty fam. So as we do the nail art, you'll see over here, I will show you. So I'm doing red on the PC, and then pink on the forehead on the neck center. It looks white on screen, but in person it's pink. So I might need a darker pink. I don't know if I have that. So yeah, I might need you a darker pink. And the light pink looks too much like the white. So let me quickly find a darker pink. So I found a darker pink. Let's see if I like lighter. Let me add the white. One, and then add the pink on top. See if I like it. Me let that light, and then you add a red on the center, and then a pink again. So let me wait. So this is how it's turning out. So let me play around with the pink a little bit and see. See, hold on. Let me see if I like it. Yeah, I found the perfect iteration of the pink I want. Or like a lighter red. So but it is cute. It's more like a lighter. Well, on screen it's pink. Like a nice pink color. Like he has that on the thumb. Now what he got? how it is. So this is the Valentine Day nail with red, pink, white, pink, red, white, pink, red, pink, and white. It's gonna take me a while to get out the white pink for me, but I really like this. And of course you can't forget your pot of gold. Can't forget your pot of gold. So, now what you do for this nail, plan out. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna add the minty color to my two little fingers, like so. And then just like tighten it up, neat it up. And now you take your dark green. Oops, hold on. I had this one for a long time, so it takes a little bit of. And take the dark green, take the dark green, and take it on. Hold on. I'm like holy throughout this, and then you just gently apply the dark green. A lot of folks make it as dark as you want it. And now, add the gold, the pot of gold. And you take a lot of layering. So then just knead it. Now, now I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to show you on very last Saturday. I'm not doing Halloween and Christmas, and I want this video to be super long. So, the next holiday we're doing 4th of July. So, or Memorial Day, whichever one it helps for both. So you will need red again, white again, and blue. Red, white, and blue. So now we just go in order. So let's go red, And if you have a lighter red, that'll work too, but I like using dark red. Red, white, now you grab your white. Now you add the blue. So, yep. Now you meet up with the red again. Like so. And then your thumb will end at white, and then when you do the second hand, you'll be blue. Crafty down and hit that like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.